Hey guys, wanted to unveil a cool addition for this year's 2019 Alaska Airman's raffle plane, which is going to be a wide-body Super Cub. It just showed up in the mail today, and they're the newly certified Beringer landing gear. And I believe we've got some master cylinders in here too. Haven't opened them yet, so we'll see what's inside. I've actually never had my hands on a set of these, so it should be exciting.
And where did these come from?
They came from Beringer direct.
Matt Williams says hi.
Hey Matt. Pressure gauge,
Nice.
assuming for setting the pressure inside the struts.
Hi, Russell.
Looks like, I'm not sure without looking at the instructions yet, but it looks like something goes up towards the top of the cabane.
Now, these are newly certified, so were they experimental before?
Yes, they were experimental before, and now they've got them certified and they're working, and I guess they're very close to having their wheels and brakes certified as well. Don't know if that's going to happen in time for the show plane.
Ooh. Wow. Holy cow. Pretty fancy.
There they are.
Wow.
They're actually not that heavy.
They look pretty heavy duty.
Yeah, they do. Beats a Hydrozorb. No more changing bungees.
Oh, paperwork.
Yeah, paperwork's the part that makes this all legal. So there's all the instructions for installing them. And how to maintain them.
So what planes are they certified for now? Just the Cub or?
I believe right now they're only certified on Super Cubs. It's going to look like installed. So yeah, we'll get you guys a video of the install process on these and let you know what we find as far as ease of installation, and then of course we'll fly it once it's all done and see how they absorb shock. So stay tuned for our next update. Thanks for tuning in.